Here I am plugging it up to the outlet right there. You gotta push hard on this one. Today we're focusing on the sticker. I want to remove the sticker with the blow dryer. With this blow dryer is a technique to take off the stickers. And I'm gonna put this weight. This is a copy paper. I'm just gonna put it on top of here, so it'll hold while I take the sticker off. See, so you guys can see what I'm doing. It'll hold, it won't move. That way I could peel it while I'm doing it. It left a little residue. It left a little residue, but it's okay. As you can see right there's a little residue, and this is the figure of Jan Rog. It's I think that's this guy. It has a Build-A-Figure. All my action figures, Marvel Legends, I haven't opened them, and they all include the Build-A-Figure. And I'm trying to resell it, but I wanted to resell them, and I had the sticker. And the sticker was for, I think, how much was it for? I didn't see. You'll see in the video, but yeah, I'm gonna edit this video so you can see what I did. And it left a little residue, but it's okay. And this is Jan Rog figure. And the back looks like this. Kree Sentry. And you get those guys. And to build that guy, that's the abdomen or whatever, the torso, right there. I zoomed in a little bit too much. There you go. Enjoy my video. Bye.